So I already told you. Let me assume initially binary classification. Either data which we have received good or bad like this. Some data here expected to. Basically, what the basic classification is. So we are trying to find the probability of. Let us have some new data is coming. Let us have here some new data. So now we have to find this class. So try to understand here. So we have x1 and x2 and let us this is the output y and some data is from x1 x2 value. This is the class C. Let us assume past C is nothing but a and some new data we have received is the network. Our aim is to classify whether the data belongs to C1 or C2. This is the problem statement. So try to understand the problem statement is very clear. I'm giving very simple synthetic data set. We have to input values. Let us assume attributes or features whatever it may be. So x1 x2 and the output is nothing but y and whenever we have new data received in the network, there is a fusion detection system or maybe X built we have to classify. We have to find the value of I, whether it belongs to C1 or C2, whether pass or fail. The basic idea behind this classifier is what we are trying to find is here. We have to find the probability of, so we are trying to find probability of Y. That means whatever it may be, the data which we have received. So Y given X. So X is nothing but the features which we have secured. So this Y could be either C1 possible, this Y could be either C2 possible. So I hope we can be able to see. So now our aim is to find by using this Bayesian classifier, we are trying to find the probability of C1, probability of C2. That means we are trying to find probability of C1 given X. Let us here. So probability of C1 given X. I want to find probability of C1 given X. The data which we have received in the network is good or bad. First, I'm trying to find the data is bad something like this. And I want to find the probability of x based on x is nothing but future vector. So let us assume this value is 0. After that, how to find probability of C2, let us assume I'm assuming the data is good, let us assume, based on the same feature. Whatever features, whatever data we have received that comes. Let us assume this value is nothing but 0 point, let us assume. So C1 is good, let us assume C1 is nothing but good, that means benign, and C2 is nothing but bad, that means